In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Konami account. If you play games like eFootball or use any other Konami service, then creating a Konami account is very important because it helps you save progress, link your game data, access online features, and secure your account. First, open your browser on your phone or PC, then search for Konami login. Open the first website. Check the URL which I am opening. Now tap on Register Konami ID to begin creating your new account. Now enter your date of birth, then choose your country or region from this page. Now fill in all the required information carefully and make sure everything is correct. Now select Agree to all terms to accept all the required policies and continue. Now tap on Agree, then enter the code from your email. Once verified, your Konami account will be successfully created. Now you can use this account for games like eFootball and other Konami services, so that's how you can create a Konami account easily. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.